Hey everybody, my name is John Capobianco, and I was asked if I have built in a differential, into this new Django framework yet. And I was sort of still working on search and some other things, but I wrote it down on my backlog, and today I tackled it. And this is going to show you how it works, and I'll follow up with a deeper dive into the code, and then I will actually write some new functions together with you. But I like to show how it works and to show you the idea behind it. This is what I started with, was my whiteboard for this diff. So, and this is sort of my pseudocode as it's known. In English language, the logic and sort of the idea that I have, and I'm going to then show you how it turned out, followed by the actual code tour. So what I want to do is go get the latest, right? So that meaning from the database, from our database. Go get the latest set of, in this case, say VLANs. Not just the latest record. Remember, VLANs, there's a record for each VLAN. So I'd like to go capture the timestamp of all of the latest records and put that into a query set variable. My query set is go get the latest. And then let's stuff that in a variable. Then I want to go run the Merlin PyATS. Refresh the database. And then just repeat this step. Go get the latest, the new latest, the latest again, and stuff it in a different variable, and then use the .differential. It's not just .diff, it's the full word. And what we put in here is query set 1, query set 2. And then can we present the differential to the user? So let's take a look at what I've come up with. And it works exactly as that's described. And let's show you. Now there's really 4 use cases. No changes, something's been added, something's been removed, and something has been added and removed. Okay, let's take a look. So let's take a look at no changes at all. So I'm going to click on, right, I'm in this new /changes, the Merlin Network State Change Center, and I only have learned VLAN. Now I don't have a spinner yet. I'll get that and make it look pretty. But let's go get the current set of VLANs with learn VLAN. And then let's present a page that says whether or not there's changes detected. Well, there are no changes. Merlin has not detected any VLAN configuration additions. Merlin has not detected any VLAN configuration removals. Well, let's go ahead and make a change. So this is admin. Okay, so now let's do this, right? Show VLAN. And what we have is this 150 VLAN that says added. So let's just start by removing that VLAN. So we're just going to go conf t, no VLAN 150, no int VLAN 150, do show VLAN. It is now gone. Well, let's go back to our change center and see how the differential works. So the job is running. Now, what do you think is going to happen in our results page? Wow! Merlin has not detected any VLAN configuration additions, but it has detected the following configurations have been removed. This VLAN is now gone. So then, let's go ahead and do the second use case, adding a VLAN. Right, so we're going to go conf t and let's go VLAN 200, name Merlin rocks, int VLAN 200, right, description Merlin no shut, right, and I'm not even going to do, well, let's just make sure, do show VLAN, it's there. Now let's go back to our discovery center and see if we pick up that there is a VLAN that has been added. There we go. We have added Merlin rocks. So now can I remove Merlin rocks, the fourth use case, and add a new VLAN in the same shot? No problem, right? No VLAN 200, no int VLAN 200, VLAN 150, name Merlin really rocks, int VLAN 150, description Merlin, no shut, do show VLAN. There's our new VLAN and 200 is gone. Well, what do you think? Is this going to track that we've added something and removed something? Well, it sure will. And in just a couple of seconds, here it comes. Bang. We've added Merlin rocks and we've removed Merlin, where we've added really rocks and we've removed rocks. Isn't that maybe the coolest thing that you've seen? I can't wait to explore the code with you and show you how you can do this yourself. It was pretty tricky. I had a lot of trial and error on this one, but that's why I love this code exploration. So we'll see you soon. I'll show you how to do a differential with network state information using the Django framework. Thank you. Stay safe.